Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple, and in this video I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious, yummylicious chicken vegetable fried rice you are seeing here. You are going to love it. Make sure you watch the video from the start till the end. Don't miss it. So as you can see guys, I have all my ingredients ready here. I have my red, green and yellow bell pepper. I have green beans, onions, and also I've got my chicken breast here as well. I have my vegetable oil and my rice is on the fire, it's cooking. I have my soy sauce also. I'm going to start marinating the chicken. Okay, I'm going to first of all add the soy sauce to the chicken, and then of course add my chili, my paprika, salt, and mixed spices as well. Okay, I'm also going to add my black pepper to it as well, guys. Yes, so this is just the first step that you have to do. Okay, it is very important to do this. Remember guys, that chicken is very healthy for the body, and I advise you all to eat chicken. So as you can see, after adding my pepper, chili, paprika and all other stuff, I'm going to marinate the chicken. I'm going to let it marinate. Okay, I'm going to use my spoon to mix everything together, and after that I'm going to leave it for like 20 minutes to let it marinate. Okay, you can also decide to start frying immediately, it's also okay. So after that, now I'm going to start with frying. I'm going to of course add some vegetable oil to the pan and add my chicken to it. I'm going to stir fry the chicken so that it won't burn. Okay, yes. So while doing that guys, I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits of chicken. So guys, while stir frying my chicken, I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits of chicken. Okay, it promotes the heart health. It is good for the heart. It boosts immunity. It is also good for the stress. Okay, when you are having stress, it relieves stress, it keeps the bones healthy, it helps build the muscles as well guys, and it is also packed with a lot of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, and also iron. Okay, it is also very healthy, and it is good for weight loss as well. So guys, as you can see, I have finished frying the chicken, so I decided to add the vegetables to it. First I added the green beans, then my onions, carrots, and I'm just going to stir fry, okay, so that it won't burn. So after stir frying the carrots, green beans and onions, of course I'm going to add my other stuff, which are the bell pepper. Okay, so I'm going to add them and also stir fry till everything is properly cooked. Okay, so after that guys, just watch. After that I'm going to go to the next process. This recipe is super easy to prepare and also very healthy. And guys, remember that vegetables are also very healthy. They are good for the body. For example, carrot is good for the skin, for the eyes. It has a lot of vitamins as well, same as the bell pepper. The green beans guys is just awesome. Okay, it is very advisable and very good to eat vegetables. Okay, so now I'm going to add my chili, paprika, black pepper, salt and other stuff. So just watch while I do that. So after adding all these things, as you can see, the food is almost coming to an end, but just continue watching. I'm going to add the black pepper now, and of course the mixed spices as well. So after doing all that, of course I'm going to stir fry again. And remember guys that my fire is on a low heat at the moment, because if it's on a high heat it's going to burn. So after that I added my soy sauce, a little amount of soy sauce, and of course added my rice as well. So I'm just going to add my rice, depends on how many the vegetable is. That's how I added my rice, and of course I added my soy sauce to the rice later later on. So now I'm going to stir fry properly till everything is cooked and till everything like mixed together. So guys, that's it. This recipe, like I said, is super easy to prepare and also very healthy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you are going to give it a try. Guys, please, if you find this video interesting, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends, share it with people you know, share it with everyone, okay, so that they will also learn something and also enjoy the video like the way you are enjoying. Yes, that's how I prepare this delicious vegetable fried rice you are seeing here. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. Also click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. All right, I'll say bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.